Wi-Fi extenders, range extenders, matter because most homes have dead zones or weak signals that curb streaming, gaming, and smart home reliability. The best extenders provide solid coverage, predictable performance, easy setup, and reasonable price.
List number 1. TP-Link AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender. The RE315 is TP-Link's entry in this set, offering dual-band 802.11 AC with up to 1.2 gigabits per second combined throughput and an Ethernet port for wired devices. It emphasizes easy mesh compatibility and a compact form factor, making it a sensible budget fit for modest, larger homes. Prospective buyers should note the device's focus on coverage expansion rather than raw speed gains, with a stated maximum coverage of up to 1,600 square feet and support for up to 32 devices. This model is positioned to pair with TP-Link's One Mesh ecosystem and is marketed with security pledges and quick setup via the TP-Link Tether app. Performance-wise, the RE315 delivers 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, which is adequate for common HD streaming and gaming on a single device per room in mid-sized homes. The external antenna design helps mitigate dead zones, but real-world throughput will often be constrained by router capabilities and the distance to the main router. The lack of tri-band or Wi-Fi 6 means this extender is best for updating an older network rather than enabling the fastest devices. In terms of usability, the RE315 shines with a straightforward AP mode via its Ethernet port and a quick TP-Link Tether setup, along with universal compatibility to work with most routers.
List number 2. TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE550. Dual-band wireless repeater amplifier with gigabit Ethernet port, up to 2,200 square feet. The RE550 sits above the RE315 in price, offering a dual-band 1900 Mbps total throughput and a 3-antenna design for expanded coverage up to 2,100 square feet. It emphasizes a gigabit Ethernet port for wired devices and easy mesh compatibility for mesh networks by connecting to an easy mesh-enabled router. Prospective buyers gain more headroom for streaming and gaming, plus a robust wired option for consoles or PCs via the Ethernet port. The user interface and TP-Link app flow are consistent with other TP-Link extenders, providing straightforward setup and strong security commitments. In practice, the RE550's 1300 Mbps 5 GHz and 600 Mbps 2.4 GHz spec translates to noticeably better performance in congested homes with multiple devices. The 3 external antennas help sustain signal reliability across larger properties, and the Ethernet port supports AP mode expansion for a dedicated Wi-Fi access point from a wired line. The main limitations mirror the RE315. No Wi-Fi 6, and while coverage is substantial, peak throughput will still depend on the router and overall network conditions. The device is well suited for households needing a reliable 2 to 3 room boost with occasional 4K streaming and online gaming.
List number 3. TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender with Ethernet port. The RE220 is TP-Link's budget-friendly dual-band extender, marketed as offering up to 1,200 megabits per second total bandwidth, with features like easy mesh compatibility and an Ethernet port in a compact form. It emphasizes a quick setup and broad compatibility, making it ideal for expanding coverage in smaller homes or apartments that don't require speed extremes. Prospective buyers get a slim form factor and a straightforward setup experience via TP-Link's app, with the AP mode Ethernet port enabling wired device connectivity. Performance-wise, this model claims up to 1,200 megabits per second combined on dual bands, but real-world speeds will be significantly lower with multiple devices or thick walls. It's particularly attractive for users who want a simple mesh-friendly upgrade without paying premium for Wi-Fi 6. The major caveat is that it uses older 802.11 AC tech, so high-end devices or future-proofing considerations should push buyers toward newer standards if possible. Overall, RE220 is best for light to moderate usage scenarios and as a stepping stone into mesh networks.
List number 4. TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Range Extender. PC Mag Editor's Choice. Dual-band wireless repeater with Ethernet port, up to 2,400 square feet. The RE715X represents TP-Link's high-end option in this set, delivering Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax with a stated total bandwidth of up to 3,000 Mbps and coverage up to 2,400 square feet. It uses dual band with beamforming and 2 high-gain antennas, emphasizing a robust wireless backbone for larger homes and higher device counts, up to 64 devices. It's marketed as a PC Mag editor's choice, with app-based setup and easy mesh compatibility for compatible routers. In practical terms, the RE715X excels in environments with many connected devices and demands for smooth 4K streaming, gaming, and video conferencing. The Wi-Fi 6 capabilities deliver higher efficiency, better handling of dense networks, and improved range and throughput in real-world use. The trade-offs include size and price. At $79.99, it sits at the premium end of consumer extenders, but offers modern features like 3 Gbps peak on 5 GHz and 574 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, plus compatibility caveats with certain mesh ecosystems not compatible with some non-easy mesh multi-node systems.
List number 5. Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster for Home. Internet Repeater Long Range covers up to 45+ devices. Veyanco presents a budget-friendly extender option with a claimed range of up to 9,995 square feet, indoors and outdoors, and support for up to 45+ devices. The device is marketed with a simple setup process via PC, smartphone, or laptop, and emphasizes privacy and WPA or WPA2 security. It includes repeater and AP modes through a single Ethernet port, making it versatile for basic range extension or creating a new access point from a wired connection. In real-world use, the Veyanco model aims to maximize coverage rather than raw speed, with a stated speed of up to 300 Mbps, which is suitable for general web browsing and HD streaming, but may struggle with high-definition 4K content on multiple devices or gaming. Its ultra-wide claimed range often benefits from favorable architectural layouts and may perform suboptimally in dense walls or interference-heavy environments. Given the price, it is a compelling option for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize coverage in large or multi-room spaces over peak throughput.